Hello traders, the title of the video is Price Action Technical Trader explains his 360 price action technical analysis. Let's get started, alright? So what we call 360 degree price action technical analysis. It is about looking at different scenarios that can occur. Alright, so very often trader will look at a chart. They will say, okay, I see a head and shoulder chart pattern, and then all they want to do is to sell. Or another trader may say, oh, I see a cup and handle chart pattern, and I want to buy something like that. Or another trader may say, all right, I see a corrective wave and so on. So with their own wave count, so especially on Friday, people will begin their chart analysis. So they open their trading software and they prepare themselves for the week ahead. Nothing wrong with that, all right? But instead of performing what I call the 360 degree price action analysis, they perform only what I call one viewpoint, technical analysis, one viewpoint price action analysis. You want to perform what I like to call a 360 degree price action analysis. All right, I am going to we are looking at Alaska Air Group Incorporated. The EPIC is ALK, Alpha Lima Kilo, an American stock that belongs to the industrial sector, airlines. All right. So looking at this stock, I'm not going to talk about earlier wave, though I count waves. I'll leave my wave count here. I was telling trader we are in the fifth wave. How would I, at this junction, perform what I call the 360 degree price action technical analysis? There is something that I call market price action, symmetry. Is that how you pronounce in English? Symmetry, symmetry, huh? Am I speaking French? Symmetry. So you see how the price went up like this, went up, blah blah blah. So it went up first. So we'll do the opposite of that. So I'm going to start doing what I call 360 degree. What is possible, alright? So in fact I'll put it. Hold on please. All right. So what the price has done before, you see, it was nice move up. Now it's coming down. It went up from here all the way up here. Now it's coming down. It's likely to do the opposite of what it has done before in the same fashion. That's one way if you want to perform what I call the 360 degree price action technical analysis. I will explain it to you. If now you don't know what I'm trying to do, just stay put. When I finish, all right, when I finish, I'll explain to you. So you can see the price went up here. So this session will say it's likely to go down if it's coming down. All right, you see this session here, it went up from here to here. All right, here we will say that it's likely to go down in that session. So the price doing almost the same thing, but in the opposite direction. Alright? So price went up, pull back here. Alright? And then went up. So we will also say so it went up. So here, you see, it pulled back here. You see here, this session here. This is what I'm talking about. Symmetry, see here. It calmed down in this session. Look at that. It calmed down in this session. What is he doing there now? The same session. Are you with me? I want you to get it. It doesn't mean that the price always doing that, but sometimes it will do exactly that. So when you are performing the 360 degree price action analysis, you want to analyze it, take into consideration the possible scenario. So you see here, it went down this session. Look, between those two horizontal lines, now it's doing the opposite. It went up. So it went down here. Now it went up. So it's just doing what it did before. But it's not finished yet, because there's one possibility. After it came down here like this, it went up, yes or no? Alright? It went up. No, in fact, this session will classify it as somewhere. Okay, I'll leave it here. I don't want to get. You get a message. That's what I'm trying to see. It came down. Okay. It came down this session. How is it doing exactly that? No. Here it's doing exactly the same thing. It's coming down again. So yeah, here this is it. That's correct. And then you see this move up. See this session move up. We'll expect it to do the opposite, going down. Here it goes down. We'll expect it to go up. You'll be surprised sometimes the price will do exactly that. So it went down here. We'll expect it to go up there. And here it went up. We'll expect it to go down. So it's reversing. You see, it's reversing. Okay, it's reversing. So you see this session here. It went down. We'll expect it to go up. Okay, and then we'll say this session here, it went down, it went up. Now this one will bring it inside here. This session here, that's what I'm talking about here. And then this one will bring it down. Alright, but there is one move that I'm talking about now, is this one here. You see this is where you pull back, what it did, it went up. So here, he pulled back, he went up. So are we now this session, is there's a bit of different here. There's one session missing here. So here, there's one portion missing here. I'm thinking of something doing the price, hold on please. I'm thinking of something like this. Okay. Now the reason why some of my video are long is because I don't do a preparation. I don't want to hide anything from you. So I'm doing it right in front of you. You see now? So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, now it's making sense. Okay. Okay, I'll push it a bit to this side so I don't have to do everything again. Then we will expect a bit of move up, which is this one going down and this one going up before this move up. Okay, something like that. I don't want to change everything that I've done already, so I just leave it like this. You get a message? Something like that. You see some stock, they will go up and then they will just reverse, doing the opposite of what they have done before. So every move, they just copy them upside down in the other direction when you have what we call that's a vertical line dividing the price action like this. Alright? But this is one scenario talking about 360 degrees. We want to analyze the price looking at various scenarios that can occur. Now, because the price you can see here, the price is going up, the market is saturated by the bull. So we can say at this junction that the price has a more chance to continue to go up because it has been going up for a year. So it's normal for somebody to say that. If you ask somebody, does this price has more chance to go up or go down? Somebody may say it's likely to go up more because it has been going up before. But how well is it going? That's where you're going to use the pitchfork tool to determine the possible path that the price is likely to take now. So if the bullish momentum should continue, the pitchfork tool is pointing to the limit where the price should stay in normal condition. I'm choosing my word carefully. Normal condition. If it continues to go up, there is a high chance that it may stay within the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. It can brace above the pitchfork tool, but in normal condition, if the bullish momentum continues, it's likely to stay within the boundary of the pitchfork tool. So the first reaction will be to go up to the median line. Is it going to find a resistance and then go like this, go below the pitchfork tool, retest it on the edge like this, and come down and do what we were saying before? Now some trader may say, Joe, that's completely evil. You are telling people to share Alaska air group. No, I'm telling people about the 360-degree price action, okay, technical analysis. This stock, as I'm speaking to you today, has more chance to go up than to go down because it has been going up before. So if it's going up, it's likely to go like this. Maybe you stay within the lower part of the pitch for a while before climbing back above it. Or it can just go like this, find a bit of resistance, pull a little bit back, and then go back above the median line, find a support, and then continue to go up. So talking about the second scenario, there is a high chance that this stock may continue to go up more, but if it's going up, there is a high chance it will stay within the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. So all we are doing, we are analyzing the chart, okay, going from, say, horizontal level, and then move one level up. So it's like we are looking at something and turning it around. So you are looking at orange, you look at the top, you turn it around, you turn it around, so you perform a 360-degree in a cycle. Are you getting it now? That's what we are doing. So I remember the reason why I'm recording the video is when I start trading first, there were times when very tiring and stressful time when you Friday and weekend, all you do is just sit in front of a chart, performing all kind of technical analysis, trying all kind of strategy, and then the week start and then you end up losing. What I have found is that very often a lot of traders has only one viewpoint. So they analyze the chart, they say, yes, this is what's going to happen. And they don't want to go and perform the 360-degree price action technical analysis to see it from different angles. This is one scenario. We are discussing another scenario. There's one more scenario. What's that? That is the area wave traders. All right? So the area wave traders that see like this, all right, they were expecting a correction. So there's another scenario when the price can continue to go up, go above the fifth wave into the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of this move from here to here, up somewhere there, before coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somewhere there. Come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So area wave trader will be talking about a zigzag pattern. You see, this is what we are talking about, the 360-degree. Another trader may say, George, all right, do you call this first wave? You call this second wave? You call this a third, where am I now? So 1, 2, the red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's the third wave here. Now we are now in the fifth wave, so we call it 1, 2, all right, 3, 4, 5. You're expecting a correction. Another trader may say, George, another scenario may be come down like this, forming the A part of the zigzag pattern. Another move may be retest probably or come near the median line. And then another move will be, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, almost forming A, B, C, D. All right? So there are various scenarios, which mean price can continue to go up as it is now, stay in the boundary of the pitchfork tool. Another scenario may be it goes above this high here, hit the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level, or the move from here to here, before coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somewhere here, and then stay in correction for a while before a new trend may begin. Another trader may go back to my first price action analysis and say, George, maybe I'm referring to price reversing what it has done before, doing the opposite what it has done during an uptrend in a downtrend like this. So all in all, the purpose of this tutorial is to help you to understand that whenever you are analyzing the chart, whether you are using Fibonacci extension or retracement, or you are using area wave or any other trading strategy to analyze the price action, you want to see it from different angles. You want to perform what we call the 360-degree, okay, price action analysis. All right, 360-degree price action. So for somebody who is now, who say to me, George, I use a candlestick pattern. How do I perform 360-degree using only, okay, candlestick pattern? So for that person, what a person can do is that you see a candlestick pattern on the monthly chart. You want to see what kind of candlestick pattern are appearing on the higher time frame, quarterly chart, and the yearly chart. So instead of just, especially those who are using the daily chart, so they see a candlestick pattern, a hammer and a bullish candlestick bar are closed at a support level. You want to buy, okay, good. So you can go, for instance, to the monthly chart to see other candlestick patterns that are there. So you are noticing now on your monthly chart that in fact it was a bearish engulfment that brought the price there. But on the daily chart you are seeing a tail and the other candlestick bar you think is okay, a bullish candlestick pattern, but on the monthly chart it's a bearish engulfment. Then you go to the yearly chart, you see that the price in fact is at a resistance level that created the bearish engulfment on the monthly chart. Therefore, your candlestick pattern that you see on the daily chart, you can discount it, but if you want to trade it, you want to be very careful. So that will be a verification all around, 360-degree verification, checking all the various candlestick patterns. It may be, for instance, you see one particular candlestick pattern on the daily chart. You go to the monthly chart, you see a different but bullish again. So there was a bullish candlestick pattern on the daily chart, but a different bullish candlestick pattern on the monthly chart. And you go to the yearly chart, you see another different but still bullish candlestick pattern on the yearly chart. Well, it's all smiling, looking bullish, yes or no? Then that's a kind of 360-degree candlestick pattern analysis. All right? So we do the same thing with Elliott wave. When we talk about Elliott wave validation, we go from the lower time frame, go to the corresponding higher degree time frame, and we do all this. But talking about the price action, the price action is one thing that usually gets traders into trouble. They learn about head and shoulder chart pattern, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, all these chart pattern. You can buy a book. There are a lot of books you can buy on Amazon, maybe $5, £5, whatever. And you can learn about all the amazing chart patterns that are occurring all the time. But why people are not making money? Why people are not successful traders? But those chart patterns are happening all the time. And people are not making money. Why? It's not because they don't understand those chart patterns. It's just because people are not bothering to do what we call, okay, the 360-degree price action technical analysis. So I think I've said enough, all right? And I hope you have learned something from this video. My intention is always, okay, to get traders to the point where they stop making a mistake. If I've done that today, then I'm a happy man. So let me know if you find this video useful. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, do not hesitate to mark it down. We think it's an essential tutorial that can help other traders that are banging their head to the wall. Do you know that? Banging their head to the wall, trying to find out what's working, getting emotional, losing day in, day out, going round. Okay, you want to see it from different angle. And then you may say, Joe, what should I do with all these different angles? You just throw with a price. You draw your channel, you see here, draw a channel, draw the median line of the channel, and flow with the price. Get the price out of a channel. All right. After you have done your 360-degree price action analysis, now stick to the market pattern. There are 3 market patterns, not 100, not 10, 3. A rising channel, a decline. Now you see it start going down. So there will be a channel. How will we are waiting for the first lower high. If the first lower high is from here, that will allow us to draw a line like this, and then we'll draw another channel. So after performing your 360-degree price action training, you may say to me, I have different scenario. Which one should I go with, George? Use the market pattern and flow with the price. You'll be jumping from one channel to another channel. On any time frame, you're on a 5-minute time frame, draw all the channel that you can see. And then just flow with the channel. The channel is telling the market sentiment. It was bullish. Now it's becoming bearish. That's why it came out of the first channel that we have drawn. So the same thing I said to area wave trader, the same thing I said to Fibonacci trader, anytime you are using any trading system, any trading strategy, anything else in the financial market, once you have done the hard work, the heavy lifting, so to speak, refer back to the market pattern, and you will be all right. Have I said that before? Yes, I did. And I'm saying it again because it's important, okay? So this will conclude our discussion today about price action technical trader explain his 360-degree price action technical analysis. It will help you to avoid surprises so you are prepared for any scenario that can arise. You will avoid the shock waves of the financial market. Even if you lose, you won't get emotional because you understand what's happened. Alright? The emotion will make you a bad trader. When you get emotion and say, whoa, 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 I understand. But when every trader will get emotion at one point. Alright? I remember staying in the bath the whole day, after losing. So if you are emotional, don't trade. Stay away. Go away from it. And come back again another time and trade. Alright? So the video useful to you? Yes? Okay, give us the thumbs up. You need to log in to be able to give us the thumbs up. If you forget, another time you log in, remember to give us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, okay, make sure you mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, be busy, share with your friend on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, and also Facebook. Or you want to keep it to yourself, or don't keep it to yourself, share it, please. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, this is the time. It's free. Subscribe. When you are tired, you may unsubscribe. And you say, George, I remember you again. All right. You can subscribe again. If you unsubscribe, you can come back again and subscribe another time. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSGW24 traders talking about price action technical trader explain his 360-degree price action technical analysis. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Alaska Air Group Incorporated, EPIC ALK Alpha Lima Kilo on a monthly chart belonging to the industrial sector airlines. This is an American stock. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell Alaska Air Group Incorporated. It is for technical traders that want to improve their technical analysis using what I like to call the 360-degree price action technical analysis. Thank you for watching. School. Drink something good.